Good morning from Solare Kitchen. I'm the Executive Chef Filippo Piccini. Eggs, you should take it out from the fridge 30 minutes at least before to use it, so that goes on room temperature. Let's get started. So just break the egg and separate the yolk from the white. I use a little cup here to do this operation. So if I break one yolk, I don't have to throw away everything. We just separate the egg, and we have 200 grams of sugar, which we're gonna split half, actually one third, and the other third on our coffee. One third goes in. And we're gonna whip till it's fluffy but stable. That's gonna be noisy. And start to prepare the coffee. So one third and the last third. The coffee should be warm but not too hot, because otherwise the Savoiardi, when we soak the Savoiardi, they get mushy very fast. When you see that the white is really firm, that's what I mean for firm. You take it out. And set it aside. Now, if you have only one bowl, just wash it and dry it up very well. And start with the egg yolk. There you go. That's the consistency we were looking for. Now we're gonna add the mascarpone cheese. And we go back. And we're gonna add it to our egg white. We start mixing the two together. Be careful not to be too vigorous, otherwise you're gonna break the emulsion that we create between the egg white and the air. So go like very soft, and you're gonna have a fluffy cream. This way. this kind of cloud sweet. Now it's time for a first taste. I love it like that. If you like more sugar, just add a little bit more. And that's our base. Now we go to build the mascarpone cream in a plate. We have to soak our savoiardi in the coffee for 3 seconds each, and then leave it rest a little bit. We leave it rest, the coffee absorb. We want a little bit of crunchiness inside, and the coffee flavor should not go through the core. Now let's prepare a little pastry bag with our cream. These sides. You see the way we savoiardi, a little crunchiness inside, but really fluffy outside. Don't push it too much, otherwise you're gonna break it. And gently. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna create a layer of deliciousness. This point with a spatula, even it up, and I like to leave the savoiardo exposed, but if you don't, you can go and finish it up all the rim. I just like to pair it and finish with some cocoa powder. Don't go too much, because that's a bitter touch for the tiramisu. As simple as this, your delicious creamy tiramisu.